A lot of people have questions about our laundry. Even though we have laundry, one washer and one dryer in each building, this is the location of our laundry lounge. 4834 Sandstone Pass. Let's take a look. In our laundry lounge, we have 10 washers and 10 dryers. The cost for washing is $1.50. And the cost for drying is also $1.50. At the Pines of Clover Lane, we give you a laundry card, and this is one of our reload stations. So if you need to add money to your card, this is where you would come. If you happen to put money on your card online, you just come enter your code and it reloads on your card at this station. Also in the laundry lounge, we have bathrooms for men and women at your convenience. Also, as a part of the laundry lounge, we have our relaxation station. This is where you can relax while your laundry is washing. We have free Wi-Fi and free cable television. At the laundry lounge, this is also the location of our second pool. So if you're running low on time and need to get your laundry done, come on over to the laundry lounge and hang out.